Deep beneath the ocean waves lies a treasure hoard beyond human imagination. There is enough pure gold dissolved in Earth's oceans to hand every single human being on the planet over 4 pounds of solid gold. At current market prices, that is billions of dollars sitting right there in the water. Whole empires have been fought over tiny mountain veins. Miners dig miles into the Earth's crust just to find a few ounces. Yet trillions of dollars in raw wealth are constantly sloshing against our coastlines. So why aren't we dredging the seas and making everyone on Earth a millionaire? Because the ocean is hiding its wealth behind one of the most brutal chemical tricks in nature. Gold does not sit at the bottom of the ocean in neat, glittering pirate chests. It enters the sea through underwater hydrothermal vents and rivers eroding gold-bearing rock over millions of years. Once in the ocean, intense chemical reactions break the precious metal down until it dissolves completely into liquid water. The gold is there, but it is scattered across a vastness the human mind can barely comprehend. If you scoop up a single liter of ocean water, you are holding roughly 13 billionths of a single gram of gold. To visualize how tiny that is, imagine taking one single grain of sugar and dropping it into an Olympic-sized swimming pool full of water. Now, try to extract that exact grain of sugar. That is the nightmare scale of ocean gold extraction. To harvest just one single ounce of gold, you would have to process and filter over 1 billion gallons of seawater. That is enough water to fill 1,500 Olympic pools, requiring massive industrial pumps working continuously just to yield a microscopic speck of metal. Over the last century, brilliant scientists and desperate scammers have tried to crack the code. After World War I, German chemist Fritz Haber, the inventor who helped feed billions through nitrogen fertilizer, hatched a secret plot to pay off Germany's massive war debt. He spent years sailing the globe on a converted research ship, testing thousands of ocean water samples. His goal was simple: filter gold from the sea and save his nation's economy. When he finally analyzed his data, the truth crushed him. The concentration of gold in the water was far lower than early estimates suggested. The energy cost of pumping, filtering, and chemically treating billions of gallons of water was hundreds of times more expensive than the gold was actually worth. Every dollar spent harvesting ocean gold resulted in a loss of hundreds of dollars. Decades later, modern technology hasn't changed the fundamental math. Even with high-tech chemical filters, nanotech membranes, and modern solar power, the sheer volume of water you have to move destroys every business model. Nature has built a vault where the lock costs more than the treasure inside. The oceans hold enough gold to reshape the global economy overnight, but until physics and chemistry change their rules, Earth's greatest fortune remains forever out of reach.